Hello and welcome to our series of video tutorials using Microsoft Excel. Today I would like to talk to you about how you can graph XYZ data in 3D using Microsoft Excel, specifically line, spline, or scatter charts. In this video I will be covering one third-party application that makes this task very simple and how you can accomplish this yourself. Currently, the easiest way to take XYZ data and produce a 3D graph with rotation, zooming, and panning inside of Excel is with the Excel add-in Cel Tools. Cel Tools is a tool belt full of features that make Excel easier to use for the normal user. The functions that we are interested in is the graphing section of Cel Tools. Under the Graphing tab in Cel Tools, you will find many options for graphing. What we will be focused on is the section 3D XYZ Tools. This add-in makes it so easy to graph your data in 3D that it's as simple as select, click the 3D graph you want, and your graph is produced. Inside the newly populated sheet, you will find adjustable scroll bars for rotation, zooming, and panning. Because everything is contained inside of the Excel document, you can email this 3D graph to anyone and they will be able to rotate, zoom, and pan just like you can inside of Excel. Now that we have the simple method out of the way, we're going to be focused on the slightly more difficult method of user-defined formulas inside of Excel to produce the same graph. This method is complicated, and we will be doing a brief job explaining the complexities of this. George Lungu has done an amazing job explaining the mathematical equations behind 3D graphing inside of Microsoft Excel. He offers many tutorials on this, and I highly suggest you visit his page, Excel Unusual, if you are interested in these amazing graphs using Excel. The link will be in the description below. There are several different equations you need in order to graph XYZ data inside Excel. Excel can only graph 2 points of data at a time, X and Y. Therefore, you need to convert the XYZ data into just X and Y data. This is the tricky part, and the equation is broken down for you here. With the equations, you can graph XYZ values in a 2D graph in X and Y. The numbers needed are your original X, Y, and Z values, using the placeholder of OX, OY, and OZ. Azimuth, which is the X rotation, and altitude, which is the Y rotation. Once your formulas are placed, you adjust the rotations and watch as the graphed X and Y values are automatically updated. This method is not as clear-cut or easy as using Cel Tools, but this method is available in case you would like to do this on your own. I hope that this video has helped you understand the complexities behind graphing objects in 3D using Microsoft Excel. If you like this video and would like to see more of our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.